On Easter Sunday this year, we decided, just friend and I, to visit the 7 churches. We started with the Basilica, Santa Maria de la Antigua, and that's where they had the Easter service. It's very grand and beautiful. I mean, all these churches are gorgeous. In the 7 churches, you can also hire a guide, make it like a walking tour. I think this one is Santa Ana Church. And I'm not going to be, so worried about the exact name of the church, but I think this was Santa Ana. And it's next to the Coca-Cola Cafe. Yeah, it's a beautiful church. And we saw all 7 churches. So it's the Santa Maria de la Antigua, then Santa Ana. This one looks like the Santo Domingo de Guzman. Last year, it's like supposed to be a convent also. This one was closed last year, so I'm so happy I got a chance to see it. And I saw a Santo Domingo convent in Peru as well. This one, I think this is Santa Maria. I get myself confused, when I look at the different altar and the front of the church. Look at the ceiling. Isn't that gorgeous? This is Santo Domingo de Guzman. As you go in there, you see this sign. Now, this church is close to the ruins, where the pirate, set fire to the place, and you have a bunch of buildings that show you the remnant of what is left. That church is there, and it's kind of small. And inside all the churches, they have the writings that kind of tell you this is San Francisco. That gives you the history of the church. I know one of the churches had different pictures of this black priest with a broom. And in all the churches, there's always somebody sitting there. Again, San Francisco, the Assisi, just in the cool, because we did that too. We're like, okay, let's sit here and enjoy the cool weather for a little bit. This is San Francisco. Oh, I have a lot of shots of San Francisco, the Assisi. Then also there is the San Jose Church with the golden altar. There is Nuestra Señora de la Merced, Our Lady of Mercy. Here's another picture of this black priest. There is Santa Ana. There is San Felipe Neri. Let's see. Santa Maria de la Antigua, San Francis de Assisi, Santo Domingo de Guzman, Nuestra Señora de la Merced, Iglesia San Jose, and then Santa Ana. 7 churches. Just a beautiful outing.